As an HMO, a 3-bed would bring in probably 6 rooms, and just renting it as rooms, sharing kitchen and bathroom would bring in 600. We're looking at months, so 600 a week times 52 divided by 12, 2,600. 2,600. As service accommodation, we get 80 quid a night. Now,
That by 6, shall I do it for you? That by 6, yeah?
no, you multiply by 365 and then divide it by 12. So you're talking about 2.4. So you're talking about service accommodation 1.2, because you base it on about 50% to 2.4k per calendar month. This is per calendar month. So taking a 3-bed property, let it out, you get about 1,000k, no hassle, no problem. Do it as an HMO, you get 2,500. Do it as service accommodation, you're somewhere between 1.2 and 2.4 thousand. To turn it into an HMO, it's going to cost you probably in the region of, difficult to say, but you're probably talking about 30k build costs to do that. Single red or that costs you nothing. That's your killer, is the cost of compliance, fire doors, fire alarm, electrical condition installation reports, but you have to have for both anyway. So this is the advantage of service accommodation. You just take a property and flip it over, you get more than you would do as single letting it. You scale
You
up
need
the
a
legislation.
HMO license,
Yeah, you need a license
or
as well.
SA?
No, you don't need anything. There's no regulation of SA.